Just share my screen.
You have to load the samples to button.
Yes. You just need to click on Microsoft Excel. You need to select that file and open. And that file again, I'm sharing in the chat box also. Please mute. And then after getting this, drag and drop here and click on sheet 1. So I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Please have a look because today is the second day. Now let's start. Today we have created a bar chart. So today also we are creating a bar chart, but we will be doing formatting at the same time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So with the mark shelf. So remember here, you have n number of shelves. So first thing will come here, pages in this shelf. Second one, you will get filter. Third one, you will get marks. In this marks, you will get all the cards. These are called cards. Okay. And even we call this column has a shelf and row also has a shelf. Clear? In Tableau, we call all these things as a shelf. Okay. Now coming to this part, when to use, where to use, and what to use, we'll be discussing one by one. For example, if I'm dragging this category in the rows and dragging the sales in the column, so it will convert into a bar chart. If you want to fix it entire week, you can use this like this entire week. Okay. So after using this entire week, if you want to sort, you have to click on this sorting part. And if you want to give the labels, then you have to click on this. I hope till here we are good.
Yes.
Can you guys create this?
Yes.
So I'm just renaming the sheet name. Now the first condition, try to understand here. So whenever you want to update here, okay, the labels, or if you want to modify, see, I have written here bar chart, automatically I got the title also bar chart. Okay. Now if I want to modify all these things, the font size and the background color, so you can just right click here anywhere, right click, and you will get here the options. But do you see anywhere format? No. So once you right click here, do you see the format option? You just need to click on this format. Automatically it will go here. But sir, I don't want to do it like this. I want the easy manner. So when you want an easy manner, you just need to click on format and you will click on font. So once you click on this font, automatically you will get font. And in this, you will be seeing all the 4 parts. So what and all 4 parts are very important for you. One is, these all are the important, but rare cases you will be using line. So first thing you have here, A means font. Second one is alignment. Third one is coloring. Fourth one is border. And the last one is your lines. Okay, one by one I'm taking. A I'm selecting, by default it will select the sheet. And here I'm just increasing the font size. So it got increased. Okay. If I want to change the design pattern, the text design, so I'm using this. If I want to give the boldness, I can give the boldness like this. Can you see now? So everything is working according to this. This is called sheet level. Okay. Now, sir, I want to color the background. To color the background, you will be clicking on shadings. In this shading, you will drop down and you will select whichever the color you want. Suppose I need this color, lighter color. I have selected. Clear on this? So I'm using this light color. Okay. Sir, I want to change, the grid lines. Do you see the grid lines here? The white color? I want to remove that. So the grid lines, you will be using this, the last one, lines. So here you are seeing what?
No.
None. But when I select here, again, none. When I click on this, do you see none? No. So you need to drop down and you need to select the none. Now you don't have any lines.
Yes.
Clear on this? Till here, are we good?
Yes,
can you guys try the formatting? So once you have done these things, now listen carefully here. If you want to remove this, I don't want this category to be shown. Okay, or else let it be. If I want to remove this, the numbers, because already I have a data label. So do you want this access? No, right click and show header. If you click on this show header, it will remove. Clear? So what you have done, you have removed this axis, which is 0 and all those things numbers you have removed. Right click and show header 1. Okay. I want to change the color shades. What I want to do? Change the color shade of this bar chart. So how to change it? Let me explain you here. If you click on this mark shelf, and in this mark shelf, do you see the color part? You just need to click on this color. If you click on this color and if you choose whichever the color you want, for example, if I'm choosing this color, can you see the different shades? So the shade color is changing here. Okay, sir, I want to add a background, sorry, border line. To add a border line, you need to click on this and you need to select the border color. So you got the borders. I hope this makes clear to everyone. So what you have to do to change this color, bar color, you have to go to mark, color, and select whichever the color you want. Okay. Sir, I want to change the title. I want to give category wise sales. What I want to give? Category wise sales. So do you see the bar chart over here? You just need to double click on this and you need to remove this sheet name and you need to type here category wise sales. And then if you want to align it in center, keep it in center, increase the bold or increase the pattern, whatever the size, or if you want to change the color, you can change the color here also. Clear? And apply. Can you see this? You got it here. So like this, you can create. So what you have to do, you have to click on the double click on this category title, and then you have to delete everything and you have to write manual. You'll get all the information. Now, do you see here the category? This category should be not shown here because already I have mentioned category here. Then why I need one more category? So what we have to do, we have to keep a cursor there, right click, and do you see here, hide field label for rows? Again, I'm showing you, you just need to right click on this category, right click, hide field labels for rows. It will get hide. Clear? Yes, actually Tableau is very easy and feasible thing. I agree. Okay. Now I want to create a column chart. So what I'll do, I'll right click this and I'll create what? Duplicate. So if I create a duplicate, now see here, I have created a duplicate page and I'm just clicking on this arrow option, which is means swapping from row to column. Now you can see the column chart. So this is your column chart. You don't have to do more formatting part. Okay, but sir, I'm seeing category again. Can you see here? So just keep your cursor there, right click, hide field value for the columns and click on that. It will remove. Do it. Done till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Now, let's understand the next one. Again, I'm creating a duplicate page. And in this duplicate page, what I need is, I need here, to show the category. Already we have a category. In this each category, I want to show, okay, I'm just removing this category, adding the region now. So I've added region wise sales. So I'm renaming it and I'm typing here region wise sales. Okay. Now you got all the 4 regions. In this 4 regions, I want to see in each region how many categories are there and what is the sale. Are you getting it? So what I'll do, I'll take this category and I'll drop it in the next to region. So can you see now? Central region, what is the sale of category? East region, what is the sale? South region, what is the sale? And West region, what is the sale? If I want to keep it alignment, highest to lowest, then I'll click on this option, highest to lowest. Now you can see for each region, it is giving me highest to lowest. Clear on this? So this is, which chart do we call in Power BI? Thank you. That's right answer. Clustered column chart. So what I have done, I have added region and category, then I have added sales. So this will give me clustered column chart. I hope we are clear. But sir, I'm seeing all the same colors. Do you see all the same colors? Okay. I'm just creating a duplicate to show you step by step. So I'm just using clustered column chart. Color change. How this color changes, let me just show you. Now I need different criteria, which means category, different colors. I'll drag this category and I'll drop it in the colors. Now can you see different colors? So you're getting, so you can make out this red color, the dark red color is known for technology. Orange color is known for office supply and furniture is known for blue. So it is mentioned here. Clear? What we have done? We have dragged this category and dropped in the color. Clear on this? Can you guys make it?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple concept here. Yes. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
sir, I want to change this colors. I want to keep my colors. Instead of these three different colors, I want to keep mine. So I'll just click on this color. You can see here, please listen carefully now. You can just click on this color and you will get edit color option. If you click on edit color, you need to select that furniture. Okay, I need furniture to be yellow, office supply green, and technology, let me just keep orange and let me apply. Can you see the different colors? So like this, you can align. I hope this makes clear.
Yes, sir.
Please make a note. So click on edit color and you will get this option. Select this and then do it. Thank you. So once after doing this, now I'm just adding a new worksheet. And this time we'll be using stack column chart. How it works, let me explain. Again, I'm taking the region over here. I'm taking the category over here. Okay, I'm not taking category for the time being. I'm taking the sales. By default, I got column. Okay, I'm just clicking on the standard to entire view. So it will convert into entire view. Clear? Now, when I'm selecting here, show me, and when I'm selecting this, which chart it is? Stack bar chart. If I select this, what's happening here? It is changing everything. But I don't need it in this way. I need region-wise category stack bar chart. Getting the concept here? Region-wise category. Okay. Now I have selected this. So that is the reason I'm not selecting any of this here. Okay. So we'll be working on this. We are customizing it. So I'm dragging directly category and dropping in the colors. Now you can automatically see that. So what's happening here? The orange color is technology, yellow color is furniture, and office supply is green color. Automatically you're getting it. I hope this makes clear. Can you guys try it? So this is called stack column chart or bar chart if you convert it. Online?
Yes, sir.
Clear till here?
Yes.
Okay, now listen carefully, everyone. Listen here. If I'm removing this category and if I'm clicking on hide the card, now which category belongs to which color? Any idea? You know, I know. But what about the users? Do they know? No. For that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add here information. Labels are known for information. Okay. I'm just dragging this category and dropping in the labels. So I got the labels over here. Okay. And the same time, I'm dropping this sales and dragging and dropping in the labels. So I got sales also. Clear? So which is easy? This is again easy. Clear? Please make a note and do it. Once you have given this, now, do you see the formatting part? The background color and all? Do you have anything? No, right? So you can just come here, back to the previous page, right click, and you will see copy formatting. You just need to copy this, come back here, right click, and paste formatting. Now everything changed. Got it? The background color and the font size and the color of black, Earlier it was white. So this is how it looks like. So again, right click, copy, formatting, and come back to this current sheet, right click, paste, formatting. But sir, my manager said I need in thousands value. Which value he needs? 1,000, not the whole number. So K value it is. Okay. Now, do you see here T has sum of sales? Okay. You will be just clicking on this drop down, and do you see the format option?
Yes, sir.
You see here. Don't see in your laptop. Okay. See here. Format. So now in this number, you're gonna go to the custom. You're gonna change here display unit into thousands. Okay, now you got the thousands. If you want to add a currency, then go to the custom currency, change the currency. Oh, sorry, not here. Change the currency prefix. If you're not getting it, go to the standard, change it from here, has an Indian rupee. Then come to the custom, change it here into the thousands. So you can see here. So currency also you can do the customization in the thousands, or number also you can do it. Clear? This is where your bar chart, clustered column chart, and stack column chart or bar chart. You can convert it. See, if you swap from here, it will convert into bar. Got it? If you swap again, it will convert into column. So I'll not be showing you all the form every time. Okay, now coming to the next one. I want you guys to create a pie chart. How do you create a pie chart? Try it once. Region-wise sales. Okay, let's take segment-wise sales. Just take segment this time. Done? It's very simple, very easy. What you have done? Let me just show you. You have dragged this region and dropped it here. You have dragged the sales and dropped it here, right? Once you drag and drop, you clicked on show me and you have selected pie chart. Simple. It got converted. Agreed. But is it a good size? No. You need to click on entire weave. So you got it here. Okay. Now do you see the region and sales? Yes. I don't want to show to my manager. So drop down and hide the card. Drop down and hide the card. Okay, you have hidden. Now, which region belongs to which one? You need to keep your cursor like this. Will you keep like this? No. So again, you will drag this region and drop it in the labels. You got it. Again, you're gonna drag the sales and drop it in the labels. You got it. Clear on this? Can you guys do it till here? Okay, now the question arises here. Now let's see. If your manager will ask you, what is the contribution of central region? Contribution means percentage. Getting the concept here? So how do you calculate this percentage? That is the question. Now, in this, you are seeing n number of sum of sales. Do you see this? Okay, which is showing you here, it's called as label. So T is known for labels. Okay, you just need to drop down this sum of sales, you have it. Okay, it will be sum by default, it's okay. Do you see somewhere quick table calculation? Here you have to use percentage of total. So now what you got? You got percentage, but it has been replaced number to percentage. Clear? What we have done, we have dropped down and we have selected here quick table calculation percentage of total. Everyone do it. Now, once after doing this, your manager has requested he needs region, sales, and then percentage. So what you'll do, you'll drag the sales and drop it in the labels again. So you got central, percentage, and sale. But sir, I need sales to be above. After sales only, I should see the percentage. So this sales, you will drag and drop it like this. Okay, the sales you need to drag and drop. And here you can easily identification, you can do this with this icon. This is called table calculation, the icon which you are seeing here. So this icon should be below. Just check it out now. Okay, now the question arises here. Sir, whatever you have given, it's fine. But I need inside this pipe, the slice. So you can just click on this. You will get this 4 types of arrow button, drag it and drop it here. Same thing, click on this, drag and drop it here in the middle. Manually, you need to drag and drop. Got it? By one. So here you have a table chart. So how it works, let me explain you here. So whenever I'm selecting the region in the rows and whenever I'm selecting categories in the rows, so you're getting region wise, category wise, whatever the condition you have used, but I have not added anything. So if I want sales, double click, you will get the table format. Double click on the sales. If you need profit, double click on the profit. You'll get profit and sales. Again, I'm showing you, please have a look. So first I'm taking double click on the region, double click on the sales category. But when you double click, it will go to column, drag and drop in the rows. So you will get region wise, category wise, what is your total sales? What is your total profit? Sir, but I need sales first. So drag this profit and drop it below. You'll see the orange color icon here. So drag it and drop it. Now you can see sales and profit. Clear on this? This is a normal table format. Can you guys present it? I'm not gonna do any formatting now, just I'm showing how it looks like. Now let's talk about matrix. So matrix table, how it will work, let's see. Again, I'm just dragging this and dropping in the region. Again, double click on the sales, double click on the profit. You got this 2 answers. Okay, well and fine. But I want to see category level. So I'll drag this category and drop it in the columns. Now you can see here clearly. But sir, it is segregating sales separately and profit separately. I don't need in that way. So this measure name will come next to the category. Now can you see here? So each category you're getting it. But sir, not in this way. Okay, let's try one more time. Region, category, and double click on the sales. So you got the sales. If I double click on the profit, what I'm getting now? Sales and profit in the row wise. So it's all about your how you want to present the data. Okay, whether you need in a column level, whether you need in a row level, up to you. Now I can show profit and sales like this or sales and profit like this also. Sir, I don't need like this. I'll be keeping here in the columns. Now, can you see here furniture separately? Sir, I need separate sales and profit. Then drag this category like this. So these are the ways. So how you want to present, you can present. Simple concept. Clear? Try it once. Now, so the first thing, it was your table. The second one you have heat map. And the third one you have highlighted tables. So now I'm just going with this heat map and highlighted tables. Let me just show you step by step. So whenever I'm selecting here subcategory, I got all the information. Okay. When I'm selecting the sales, it will show me the sales. When I have added the sales here, you can see it is highlighting. Okay, sir, but I need in the sequence. Let's understand. I'm dragging this region in the column. So you have created a matrix table now. It is called as a matrix table. But I'm gonna select what option? Heat map. So what's happening here, heat map? Whichever the sale is high, it will show you the bigger square size. Okay, if you want to increase the size, you can increase with the help of this. But will you be able to understand? No, sir. So there is no point of using this. Okay, there is no point of using this. But when you can use it, okay. If you want to present in a different way, till here. If you click on this, now you can see. Okay, at this moment you can present. It's optional. But sir, I need a numbers also. With this graph, I need a number. So you can drag the sales and drop it in the labels. So you can see. But are you able to find it out? No. Then drag it like this. Now it is clear. Now you can see this. So this is how it works. Sir, I want to increase the size. Okay, click here and increase a bit. You can see that. Now you have to increase this width. So this is how heat map works. But in real time scenario, we'll not use it. Don't worry. Just an optional it is how it is working. Can you guys try to create? Okay, the next one. You're gonna use here subcategory again. You're gonna use sales. And this time, if I'm using here, you know the conditional formatting, how it works. Let me just show you here. If I'm dragging the region and dropping here. Now, if I select here, which option highlight? Tables. So it is highlighting everything. Swapping again. Now you can see whichever the highest value you have, it will show you in the dark color. Whichever the lowest value you have, it will show you in a light color. So this is how the color shades are working. Clear? Which table I have used? Highlight table. Now coming to the next question. Sir, here they have mentioned something, side by side bars. Side and side. So today is 31st. You will not be there. Okay. So let's see here how it works. What do you mean by side bars? Let's see here. When I'm selecting subcategory and sales, and am I getting this option?
No, sir.
No. Okay. If I'm selecting the category over here. Okay. Now I'm getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just selecting this. Okay. What do you mean by this now? What do you think? It is called clustered column chart. In Tableau, we have already created that clustered column chart. Region wise, category wise sales. The same concept, it is showing you side by side. If you want to see, have a look one more time. That is the reason I have selected different one. Region, okay, category, and sales. And when I'm selecting this, and if I drag this first and I keep it. Now can you see here? Which option you are seeing? Side by side chart, which is known as clustered column chart. Clear on the concept? So everything is same, whatever you are seeing. Okay, sir, but I don't want to show like a bar. I need like a circle. Click on this. It will show you like a circle. Okay, side by side circle. Sir, I need a stack one. Then select this. You're gonna get the stack one. Will you be able to understand these things? Then why you wanna break your head? Okay, it's just a modification. If you wanna try, you can try. I'm not saying no. Yes, in this you can add labels again. For example, in this furniture, you have regions. Okay, I'm just dragging here and I'm keeping it. Okay, now I have these options. I'm dragging this category and dropping in the labels. I got the labels and I'm dragging the sales. I got the sales. Okay, I'm just keeping in the entire view. Now, can you see the differences? Instead of bar, you're getting circle. Simple concept it is. Clear? Try it once. Now, you have few more charts, which is called tree map. Okay, you have something map visuals, you have line charts, and you have bubble charts. So these are the charts which we're gonna use it. Okay, so we'll be discussing here. So first thing, I can't select any charts by default. So I need to select something else. Okay, now I'm selecting here subcategory. And then I'm selecting the sales. When I select subcategory and sales, I got tree map. I'm just clicking on this tree map. Okay, it is giving me the conditional formatting. Can you see this? Highest to lowest. Okay, now I need to add subcategory in the labels and sales in the labels. Well, I got all the information well and fine. Now I have a few questions here. I want to show to the users that in that subcategory, which I'm having profit and which I'm having loss. What I want to show? Profit and loss. Okay. So I'll drag this profit and drop it in the which option? Color. So can you see here? Whichever you're getting the orange color, darker orange, it is more loss. How you can say that? Let me just show you here. Now the sale is 2,08,000, and what is the loss for me? So my sale is done good, but I'm in loss. And which is good here? Sale is 3,35,000, and the profit I'm getting it. So this option you can't get in Power BI. Got it? Few things are there, which is very interesting in Tableau, especially this. So I can make out in this subcategory, this table, which is having done good sale, but the profit is loss. I'm in loss here. So I don't want to increase my sale here, or I have to cover that loss. So for business analysts, we use this kind of a tool. That is why Tableau is leading tool. Now you got to know, you can modify like this. Can you guys try once? Okay, but the question is here, how do you say which one is sale and which one is profit? That is a question for me. I understood what you have explained me, but how the users will come to know which is sale and which is profit? Sir, more value is sales, less value is profit. You can't say that. You can't say at all. Try to understand. So which one? Okay. So in a simple way, now you're gonna do some modifications in this part also. Inside this label, if you click on this, you will see here 3 dots. Do you see this? Okay. If you see, you can clearly observe this subcategory, sum of sales and sum of profit. Below this sum of sales or before this sum of sales, what I'm doing is I'm writing here sales. Okay. And before this sum of profit, what I'm gonna write? Profit. So once I type like this, if I want to increase the size, I'm just increasing for you. And if I want to change the boldness, I'll just keep as a medium. Okay. And apply. Now can you see that? Now I can make out the sale is this much and the profit is this much. So what I have done inside this labels, 3 dots, and before the sum of sales, I have written sales. Before sum of profit, I have written profit. Can you please make a note? This is called editing your labels. How to edit the labels. Any questions still here? Okay, we have 4 new visuals like your map, and then you have scatter plot and line charts and bubble charts. Okay, we're gonna discuss few charts like this. So after the break, we're gonna discuss on this. Then we will be going with formatting part, which means filtering part. Okay, at the end, you will be having a task. Let's start. So the next one, we're gonna discuss about the map visuals.
Excuse me, sir.
Now the next visual will be line chart. How to present the line chart, let's understand. So in this Tableau, you can only use line charts for date. Whenever you keep your cursor there, you can clearly see. For line chart continuous, try one date or more dimension, one or more measures. It's mentioned clearly. So you will be using line, but here when I keep my cursor, it is showing me continuous below. So always remember, you need to read these things. These are the definition. So when I keep here, I'm saying discrete. Discrete means text. Continuous means number. Is it clear? Okay. Now let me just show you that option. How it works. So here, order date, I'm taking it and I'm dropping in the rows. So by default, I got the year and I'm just dragging and dropping in the columns. So I got here, which chart? Column and rows chart. So which means the value is going in the column and the year is going in the rows, which is wrong format. So what I'll do, I'll swap it. So by default, I should select what? Year into the columns and sales into the rows. Remember this. So you got each year, what is the sale? Now let me just convert into an entire view. This is very important because this will make you confused. Okay. Now, if I drop down here, you can see here 2 types of year, 1 and 1, 2 types of quarter, 1 and 1, month, 2 types of month, and day, day, more option, more option. Okay. So what exactly these two means? The first one which you are seeing, it's actually called as discrete. Okay. It's not called as continuous. And the second one which you are seeing, it's known as continuous. Okay. Now, what do you mean by continuous and discrete? I'll give you one example. So when I click on this, do you see year and quarter? Each year you're seeing 4 quarters. So each year quarter wise you are getting the sale. This is called discrete. Okay. I'll show you the continuous one again. So I'm dragging this order date in the columns and sales in the rows, and then standard to entire weave. And then what I'll do, I'll just drop down this and I'll select, okay, year here, first thing. So I got the year and I'll just click on this. So I got year and quarter. So it is continuous line. And here when I'm seeing, it is separate lines for each year. So this is called discrete and this is called your continuous. I hope this makes clear to you. Okay. So second thing, whenever you see discrete, so you will see the blue color, year and odd quarters. Whenever you see continuous, you will see green color, year and quarter. Got it? The combination is different. Can you guys create this? Clear here? Okay, if you want to add a labels, you can add a labels like this. And here also you can add the labels. So option is with you. And the path which you are seeing here is, it will give you the pattern of line type, how you want it. Whether you need in the square or like this, or whether you need in the dash part. So like this format, you can use it. See? So the part of your type, line charts. So you have this option in the marks card. So whenever you use line, you will get this option, path. Okay, whichever you want, you can use it. It's up to you. Now let's understand about the real-time scenario. Okay, sir, I need month-wise. Are you getting it? Month-wise sales in the line chart. Can you guys try and get me the answer? So now let's try to understand here when I'm asking you some conditions. So I'm taking order date here in the columns and sales in the rows. So I got the line chart. If I drop down and if I select here month, I got month-wise. But if I select here this month, what will happen? It will give me year and month combination. So this makes the differences. So you need year-wise month or you need only the month-wise month. Which one you need it? You need to decide. So I need month-wise. I don't know which year it belongs to. No idea on that. Okay. If I want year and month, then I'll be using continuous. If I select this month, automatically it will give. See here, May 2015. And here it is giving only month. This is month and this is the combination of month and year. I hope this makes clear. So this is how it will be represented in real-time scenario. If you keep your cursor, it will show you January 21, what is the sale? This is called your tooltip. Okay. If you are using this one, this month, the first one, it will show you which month it belongs to. It will not show you which year it belongs to. All the 4 years, January sale. Clear on this? So in real time, they may ask you like this. So you need to be ready with this answers. So first you need to ask whether you need year included or without year. If I'm saying without year, then you will be using discrete option. If I'm saying with year, then you will use month and year. Got it? Clear on the part? Thank you. Now, let's understand about bubble charts. And yes, of course, you have something called area chart is the same combination, guys. So I'm not showing you the area. If you want to see the area, let me just show you here. I'm just taking line chart, which is continuous, and I'm creating a duplicate. And here, instead of this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to convert into area. Can you see this area? Done. That's it. So it will cover the area. The line will just give you the line graphical presentation. Area will give you the cover of that, the area depth. That's the reason I'm not going to show you, I said. If you want, you can create it. I'll wait here. So like this, we can present it. So each year, quarter, what is the sale? Each year, quarter, what is the sale? You can see here. Try it. You guys try. Let's see how good you are. Let's other try it. I hope it is clear. You got the answer? Okay, what we okay. Now next, you have here scatter plot, bubble charts, and then you have here map. These four visuals are pending. And of course, combo chart is also there, histogram is also there. We'll discuss that later when it is required. Okay. So first I'll go with package bubbles. So basically, whenever I'm selecting the subcategory and sales, you will be seeing these values. But when I click on this bubble, can you see here what exactly it is doing? It is giving me the bubble size. Based on the sales, it is increasing the size of bubble. If you want to convert into an entire view, you can keep it like this. It will come into the middle. If you want to remove this, you can remove this card. Okay, but sir, I want to show the values. Okay, to show the values, drag the sales and drop it in the labels. You got the values. So highest one is phone. First highest one is chair. Second one is this. Third one is this. Or third one is this. Like this, you need to analyze. Got the point? Can you guys create? Okay. Now let's see here. So whenever you keep here scatter plot, it is clearly saying you 0 dimension. So which means by default, if you're not selecting the dimension, it's okay, but you need to select the measure. Okay, what it means by measure, let's understand here. I want to know sales and profit, okay, which we have done in Power BI also. I'm just gonna show you that sales and profit in scatter plot. So when I'm selecting sales and press control and select the profit, both the columns. By default, which one is getting highlighted? It is recommending your scatter plot. Can you see? If I click on this, automatically it is showing you the value here, right? But based on what? Based on I need, let's talk about state level. If I drag the state and if I keep it here somewhere in the rows, are you able to understand?
No.
If I keep it in the columns, are you able to understand? Then there is no point of discussing about this. Okay. Now let me just show you here. See, whenever I'm selecting sales and profit, automatically it is giving me scatter plot. Agreed? Okay. When I'm dragging this subcategory or state in the colors, and it will take you all the members and it will show you the graphical presentation. Okay, now what exactly it is representing, whichever you are seeing below, which means it is less profit, but sale is good. Whichever you are seeing beyond this line, which is having a good profit and good sale. Okay, but the ratio, how many states have good ratio here? These are the state of ratio where they have a good sale. Actually, when I say good sale and good profit, then it should be here only. Got it? So only this much of ratio is having, which means 10K of profit or lesser than 20K, and here 50K of sales. Only these many state has a good sales and good profit. And these are which is having more sale and more profit. Got the point here? So to analyze quickly, you're gonna use the scatter plot. Okay, but how? In which scenario now? Again, second question will come. Okay, let's see here. I want to know how many customers have purchased, okay, with profitable sales. Are you getting it? They have done the sales also, but they should get a profit also. How many customers? Now let's see. If I drag this customer and drop it in the color, I'm adding all the members. Now, can you see here? How many members are there which is having a good sale, but the profit is only till here. Can you see? Beyond this zero, these are the customers, they have it more profit. And these are the bunch of customers who is having less profit. They bought it, but they didn't get more profit here. So this is the segregation part. Clear on this? So like this, you will be analyzing. For quick result, scatter plot. If you need slow result, then any other visual. Okay, the same thing, if you want to create in a bar chart, how it will look like. Let's see. I'm taking here customer name, dropping in the rows, sales, dropping in the columns. You got the bar chart? Okay, again profit, I'm dropping it. Will you be able to understand which customer what exactly? No, it is not possible. So in this, it is very clearly mentioned, okay, in the graphical presentation I'm saying. Okay, I'm just keeping like this so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Now you see here the line. You see here the line. The line which you are seeing is 0K. Okay. Beyond this, they have a good sales and good profit. Here they are in the less. So who is in the loss? These are the customers who is having the loss. Got it? They have done good sale. See, one customer has done good sale till here, but he is in a loss. How much loss he got? 2K. That's it. This is the market strategy. They're gonna look in this way. Now, if I keep my cursor here and if I see, okay, which customer he is? He is something Sean Miller, who is having 25,000 sale, but the profit is minus 1,900. Got the point here? So this is how you're gonna analyze scatter plot chart. This is actually the real charts. Not in Power BI or not in anywhere else. Here it's a real fact. And now something new. Let's see. If I add here order date into the pages, this is called dynamic slicer. If I click on this yearly, it will show me the graphical presentation. So within a day, if anyone, suppose I have launched one product, okay, let's talk about one car, which is Tata Tiago, whatever we have it in the market. Now I want to see from this month, from first to now, how many customers have purchased with profit and without profit. Then this is the graphical presentation. Got it? So easily it will analyze for you. Any questions? Please make a note. And this is called data model size. So in data science, you're gonna use these kind of a graphs mode. Play button, it will play. This is called dynamic slicer, play axis. I hope it is clear. Yes,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no. Yes. Thank you. Now let's move to the map. One of the best map visuals, you have it. Okay, Power BI lovers, please have a look here. So whenever you are using map, you need to understand, okay, you will not drag and drop. See, if you drag and drop, it will throw error. It will not create a map and you will not understand. So map, you always need to double click on this country. So first, when you click on double click, automatically you will get longitude and latitude. Okay, automatically it does. And you are seeing here country and region. And by default, you're getting the bubble, Canada and United States, which is highlighting here. Okay, any other countries, is it highlighting? No. So that's the concept. Okay, in this, if I double click on the state now, so in that country, which states you have, it is getting highlighted now. Got it? Now I want to represent the sale. If I want to represent the sale, double click on the sales. So I got the sale, but is it giving me the sale? or it is giving me the size of bubble? Size of bubble. Okay, because it is showing me clearly here the size. So in this size, I'll go and I'll increase a bit. Okay, I have increased here. Now, here in this part, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the state and drop it in the labels. I'm seeing the state names. Okay, even I have here, but I can't see the bubble, you know. Okay, because of the size of that bubbles. Okay, now if I want to know the sales, drag and drop here. I got the sales, which is easy. First thing, in Power BI, you will not get the labels. Labels are not possible. Here you are getting at least the label. You can come to know which state has what sale. That is very important for us. That is the use of map. Got it? Where in Power BI you will not get. You need to write the formula. So here without formula you're getting it. Clear on this? Just do it till here. Okay, sir, I need a colors. I need a colors. Okay, I need a background color first thing. See, here in this top, you will be seeing a background color over here, which is called map. So whenever you click on this map, you will see the background colors. And you can give a normal one. This is called a normal. No, sir, I don't want normal. I want something else. So you can just click on the background, dark, which will give you more darker. Okay, sir, I don't need dark. I need a street. Street means, and like this, it will show you. Sir, I need satellite. Satellite is like this. So this is how it's gonna represent. Sir, I don't need anything, sir. By default, it should be none. So nothing you'll get. You'll get only the circle. No map at all. Got it? So like this, you can change the map. Okay, but the question comes, sir, for each state, I need a different colors. The bubble colors should change. Drag the state and drop it in the colors. Now see. You got it. Can you guys cross check? Done with this? This is called symbolic map. So when you keep your cursor in show me, you will be seeing here the map name. Okay. So which map do we call? Or you can just write. That's it. Okay. Now the last concept. One more map visual, you have it. Let's understand that also. I'm adding one more visual, adding a new sheet. Okay, so this time again, but I don't need that. So in Power BI, how many map you had? Two map. One is map and one is field map, right? So I'm just doing that also. So here I'm getting the map. I'm just taking the state. Okay. Once I have selected the state, can you see here which map you're getting? The basic one, which will fill the area. You got the area? Now directly I have converted from here. After adding country and state, I have directly filled the map. Okay. Now after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, double click on the sales. Can you see the color shades? Okay. After selecting the shades, if I want to add the data labels, state in the labels, sales also in the labels. But sir, I need here, different colors for different, what do you say? State. So drag the state and drop it in the colors. The shades of color change. This is called a filled map. Okay, but here we call it as a map. Please make a note of this. Okay, now the last question I have here. I want each region wise subcategory. Okay, let me just show you here. I'm only presenting for you. Region wise, category wise, and subcategory wise, the sales. Clear? First thing I want to add totals. Total and subtotal. Are you getting the question here? What do I need? Total and subtotal. So total, what is overall central sale? And what is furniture's total sale? Okay. So I need to get that. How to get it? So whenever you see here, you have two ways to get, but still, I'm going to show you in a simple way. Do you see below, before the map you have analysis? You just need to click on this and you have a total, and you can click on what option? Total has top, it is showing you. But here something you are seeing. Okay, you got the subtotals over here. Okay. Now again, analysis total, and you want here show grand total. So here it will show you the grand total. So what I have done, I have added two things. One is grand total and the second one is add subtotal. Can you guys try? So first thing, if you want to format in a proper way, you need to click on the place where you want to format. Try to understand here. Okay, the table format you need to play like this. Especially, suppose I need to format subtotal. Right click, and do you see the formatting? You just need to click on the formatting and you will see here the coloring part. If you give the color here, is it giving you the shades background or what? Background only, right? So that is the reason you should not touch like this. I'm saying you again. So what you have to do, right click and format, and you will see here the total. Can you see the total? Now change the color. Suppose I want here blue color. Okay. Now, can you see everywhere I got the blue color, including grand total? Okay. I need grand total a different color. So I'll just drop down and I'll select the red color. Now, can you see the grand total different color? Simple way. So total, grand total, you got it. One thing it is done. Okay. Second thing. Now what do you need? I need here, the font should be bold, everything. So when you need a font should be bold, click on the font sheet and drop down and select here and make it bold. Now you got the boldness. Okay, sir, I need something here. The highlighting of all this central and all those things. So keep your cursor there, right click and format. Once you click on the format, automatically you're getting headers. In header, what do you need? Which color you need? Sir, I need different color. Let's take here red. Okay. Now can you see the header has a red? Working fine? Okay. Now what do you need? Sir, I need this to be aligned in center. Getting it? This need to be aligned in center. Right click and format. Okay. I have formatted. Right click format. Automatically I got it here. Alignment. You need to click on this alignment. But sir, no, I don't want to click like that. Simple again. Right click, format, and you can see here the alignment option. Alignment center. Okay, I got center and again center. Can you see here now? Is it working fine? So like this, you can place it. Sir, I need borders now. Okay, what kind of a borders you are looking for? I need all the overall borders. So click on this border, click on the cell and select this and select the color. You got the borders here? Okay, sir, I need even here the borders. Okay, click on rows. Sorry, go to the pane and click on this and click on the borders. You got it again. Again headers, click on this and click on border. The same thing applies here also. See, in this also you need to click, you need to click and you need to click. You got the borders here. In this also you need to click. Now it is already selected. Column it is not selected. Again you need to select this, this and this. Now you're gonna get it. Clear? This is how you're gonna represent the data. Okay, sir, I don't need this grid colors, gray and all those things. Fine. If you don't need it, right click, format, and here you will be seeing shady colors. Okay, this is for this, but I need for pane. So I'm not able to see this. Where is the grid colors here? How to remove this grid color, guys? The color which you are seeing here, gray color. Check it out in your system and let me know. So this is called your table formatting. If you want to align all the numbers in center, then right click and click on the formatting, and then alignment should be here. and then select here center. That's it. Within a second, you are doing it everything. So once you practice each and everything, it is very easy for you.